have a Jac J2 car. While driving, turns and emergency lights stopped working. As a rule, on Chinese cars, the turn signal relay breaks, which is also responsible for the emergency gang. This relay is located at the bottom left of the speedometer. This is the relay and it needs to be removed. We see the relay has a 3-pin core. There were no original spare parts in the stores. In my case, the relay from the VAZ 2109 is suitable. Now we install it by the connectors in the control panel. After installation, we check the operation of turns and emergency lights. As we can see, everything functions perfectly. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.